Hello! Welcome to my channel again, guys! Ngayon, gagawa tayo ng crab salad. Yes, guys, healthy crab salad. Let's go!
We now have a strange man. He's just taking this car with no cares in the world. Once he figures out he's being recorded, this doesn't stop him, and he tries to rip the mirror off the car. I wonder whose car that is. While this man is waiting for his friend, a lady in his window as if she wants to break it. But then she reaches in the car to grab the guy's phone and starts yelling at him. And the strangest part of all of
Ayan siya, guys. This is cucumber. And hihiwain ko na tong crab stick. Crab stick na nabibili sa grocery store. And eggs. And onion. And then, meron tayo dito sa ref na ihahalo pa is green peas and whole corn. Kernel corn. Yan. Ihahalo natin dito yan siya, guys. Mamaya, i-chop ko lang ito ng maliliit like this also. Yan. Kailangan siya ma-chop ng maliliit siya, guys. Katulad nung cucumber.
If you made it this far, you can hit the key, tap the video on screen, and I will see you there.
Hindi tayo expert sa chopping, guys. Babe, nalubat na?
Hindi pa, 41.9%.
14 siguro, not 41, babe.
41!
Kasi nakita ko yan kanina. 20% na lang. Ngayon, naging 40 kahit hindi siya ni inano. Pwede natin ganyanin, guys, kasi para...
Halika! Halika ba?
Titingnan ko.
Opo.
Ayan, guys, eggs na naman tayo. Hiniwa ko na ng... maliliit ang eggs. White lang siya, guys. Tinanggal ko lang yung yolk niya. Bali, 4 siya na eggs. Then, 9 siya na stick, crab stick. Then, 2 cucumber. Then, isang malaking white onion. Half can of green peas, tsaka ano yan? Corn. Nawawala na ako, guys. Kailangan siyang hiwain ng maliliit. Then, ang dressing nito, guys, wala lang. Lagyan mo lang ng konting asin, then whipping cream or sour cream. Or ako kasi Filipino ako, nilalagyan ko ng Chinese mayonnaise. Napakasarap. Ayan guys, yan na sila guys. Crab salad. Ay, nakalimutan ko palang lagyan ng ng green peas pa pala guys. Sorry.